Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so sana nakakondisyon po yung ating isip for a one-day training. So it is but proper that at the very start, we are well informed on what will happen for this almost 8-hour endeavor. So as has been said earlier, this is a regular orientation for student leaders and volunteers. It all started as an affair of volunteers, but we have thought of including student leaders, especially in line with our advocacy on the implementation of NSTP. We know for a fact that leaders are emerging as a result of the exposure of mostly the NSTP students who have underwent their practicum in the different communities of the Bupan and its environs. So today, we may be able to answer the following questions that was posed earlier by Sir Nash. And these are 3 basic questions. Questions like, do we care? Are we committed? And can we be trusted? These are but some of the things that we will realize at the end of this orientation. So in more specific terms, the psychosocial orientation for student leadership and volunteers under the auspices of the Center for Integrated Extension Services and the National Service Training Program of the University of Luzon offers an array of opportunities to build leadership skills through volunteer and community service programs, participation in student groups, and involvement of